This is Laura's swim party, June 24th, 2000.
Try to get these, okay? Not this. Good. Try to get this. Get it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Film me in the shower one, please. Please, film me.
As you can see, Hannah is very camera shy.
Stay there. Let me get my horsey. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, kid. Film me.
Hey Laura, don't push.
Did you feel it?
All right, everybody line up. Laura and Kelsey won the first two.
Yeah!
Hannah came in second. Everybody line up evenly.
I didn't know I was playing this time.
Yeah, I'm gonna unless you want a video.
That's all right. Okay.
All right, you ready? Okay, go. Okay, balloon holders. One step back.
Everyone has to be even, okay?
Okay, go. Oops.
We're out.
Okay. Balloon holders. One step back. Go.
Oh! These two teams are still in.
Okay. Balloon holders. One step back. They're not even, Dad.
All right, now they're not. All right. Okay, now they're even.
Okay, go.
Oh, no, wait. That didn't look fair.
I think the Dakins may be a little over the line down there. All right, balloon holders. One step back.
Okay, now they're even.
Okay, go. Okay, good.
Balloon holders back up. Okay, now no stepping over the line, Haley.
Okay, go. Woo, good. Okay. One step back.
Step back from the balloon holders.
Okay, go.
Hey, good one.
Good. Okay, balloon holders. One step back.
Balloon holders, one step back.
Okay, go. Woo, good. Okay. One step back, balloon holders.
All right, this side. Back more, Kelsey.
Okay, go.
Wait. This team's farther apart. Laura, back up a little
Yeah, you monitor that because I can't do that.
Up a little bit. Okay, now you're about to say.
Okay. Go. Yeah, Dad, you call it, okay?
Back up a little more, Bridget. Okay, let's go, Dad.
Let me see if you don't lose a balloon fight.
Woo! 3 times in a row, the champ!
We won the 3 thing!
We won every single
We won
one.
all 3!
Lucky one.
I think that's your lucky balloon, is what I
Yes.
think.
Samantha?
Girls, what are we having now?
I'm gonna
Let me
stop.
see somebody who's built a nice sundae.
I have
Hannah's looks nice. There's Kelsey's.
Chili.
Laura's.
I need the Oreos. This came out on mine.
I will fix that.
A lot of it. See? Dad, I want some more chocolate syrup. See?
Okay.
Aunt Darlene.
Here, guys. Ready?
Okay, honey.
What happened to mine?
Uh-oh.
It all splatted.
Oh, okay.
I'll eat
Top
it.
came off. Okay.
I'll eat it then.